Motive Auto.
It's well, I actually woke up around 4, but it's 4:20 right now. I don't know किसी ने व्लॉग किया है कि नहीं, बट किसी को तो करना था और मैं ऐसे उठी हूँ. Everybody else is supposed to be here by 5 or 5:30 max, and they were gonna leave at 4, but someone woke up at 4. You know who you are. So they're gonna be here by 5:30. We're gonna leave by 6. मुझे नहीं पता इसमें ऑडियो आ भी रही है कि नहीं, या फिर मेरी शक्ल ठीक से आ रही है कि नहीं, बिकॉज मच्छर. So let's see. I hope वो अपना पार्ट रिकॉर्ड करते रहे, वरना.
Hi guys, good morning. We're late.
Very late. We're 45 minutes late.
It's obvious. We have to be late. Like IST से नहीं चलेंगे तो मतलब क्या, मतलब Indian Standard Time, bro. So we're going to Bhavika's place and then we'll meet there and then. Okay, someone was staring at us, but never mind.
Nice.
Cool.
Indians.
ठीक है. नहीं तो the thing is हम भाविका के घर जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे हम सब मिलेंगे and then we'll leave for Amritsar. But we were late, so we couldn't shoot our intro.
We planned a really nice intro, but that clearly didn't happen. Thanks to Ryan, he was late, very late.
भाई अलार्म नहीं बजा.
Excuse me, alarm बजता है तुम उठते नहीं हो, बात अलग है.
चलो, see you guys at Bhavika's place then.
Bye.
Necessity. Out of everybody in the house जो कि तुम्हें नहीं दिख रहे, I'm the one who's ready and I am happy. I'm Nanda, but anyway, बहुत lame joke हो गया. अभी I have to make sandwiches for everybody. Pack actually, क्योंकि मैंने कल बना लिए थे. अभी वो लोग आएंगे. Let's see. But I'm ready. Quick update.
मैं तो लेके
Hello.
everything.
Hello. 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 Hello.
अरे तेरे लिए गिफ्ट.
किसके लिए गिफ्ट? टा टा टा. नहीं, ये तो वेडिंग है. सॉरी. ऑकवर्ड.
Hello guys.
और हम निकल चुके हैं. It is 6:11 right now.
Yes.
हमें 3 मिनट हो गए निकले.
And cold. It's cold.
It's not that cold. Video पे.
So we're going to Amritsar and we are doing a review of the Ford EcoSport. अब हम सीधा हाईवे पे and the car is packed. So like
To the brim.
yeah, and it has a lot of space. We can say that because
कितने bags हैं?
you can probably fit 5 dead bodies there. Can you repeat that please? You can probably fit 5 dead bodies here and there will still be space for 4 people to sit.
Okay.
So anyway, sorry for that.
6 बजे देखो यार, रात हो रही है.
But yeah,
I just
So
don't
we'll-
like winter. I don't like winter.
anyway, let's meet on the highway then. Bye.
अच्छा.
It's gonna be highway or mine or it's highway. He just makes bad jokes, so see you later, alligator. Hey guys, what's up?
A quick update. We've completed 100 kilometers. We've crossed Panipat and it's 8:13. मतलब हमें निकले हुए 2 घंटे हो गए हैं. हम स्लो चल रहे हैं।
हाँ काफी स्लो चल रहा है, तो कोई नहीं, 1 घंटे की और बात है, उसके बाद मैच चलाऊंगा।
एवरेज पता नहीं क्यों ड्रॉप हो गया, पहले 14.8
ड्रॉप ही हो गई, इतनी गाड़ी भी कह रही है मेरे को अच्छे से चलाओ। That 1.5 liter engine wants to be driven faster.
Yes.
Okay. So quick update. We stopped once for washroom, and otherwise
Where we wasted 15 to 20 minutes.
because they were chatting in the washroom. The energy level is now low because
एक पिलर हमारा सो रहा है।
एक पिलर सो रहा है, एक पिलर अभी उठी है, सैंडविचेस खा रही है। But anyway, this car is like comfortable and like good, nice. I like it.
Nice.
Space हो गया, comfort हो गया, comfort हो गया. So like it's a good package for a highway as of now, and we've had no problems overtaking anyone other than the driving aside. So we'll give you the next update when we stop.
When we stop at
When we
Karnal,
stop at
9 a.m.
Karnal at 9 a.m. and right now it's 8:15. So
Let's see.
after that she'll be vlogging and I'll be driving. I'll give you good knowledge about the car.
It's 9:09 और हमारा ड्राइवर बदल चुका है। We've crossed-
बोलियो ना। What's up?
It's nacho time. That's nacho.
big hot guy.
No. So it's 9:09. हम करनाल क्रॉस कर चुके हैं। हमारा ड्राइवर बदल चुका है। So far, रुको कैमरा फ्लिप कर। एक मिनट। हेलो everyone. Welcome to Motive Auto. ये बुलेट वाला, ये भी बुलेट वाला। मैं बुलेट के पीछे वाली।
हम गालियाँ खाने वाले हैं। अब हम हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं भैया।
तो so far, what is your review for the car? Has it been comfortable?
It's actually really comfortable and very spacious. Actually, you can see the amount of stuff here. It's still really spacious.
It's packed.
It is packed
We
to
even
the
have
brim.
stuff on the top
Yes,
of the car.
we do.
Top off.
See, the car is actually very smooth, and there's a lot of feedback from the steering wheel as well. It's heavy at higher speeds and it's lighter at the lower speeds. It's a really nice feel altogether, and you get that SUV feel in a compact SUV.
यहाँ खाना पीना शुरू हो चुका है by the way. Snack time.
No, it's not my time. It's not my time.
Disgusting. अभी हमको अराउंड 350 किलोमीटर अभी रहता है, like that.
I guess 340
Ish.
more than 300.
And
How much have you covered?
we've covered 137 kilometers.
Yeah. It felt like 5 kilometers to me, to be really honest.
Because you were passed out.
No, also because it was very comfortable.
You were passed out.
And the seats are very, very
You
nice.
were passed out. तो हमारा गोल है कि हम लंच टाइम अराउंड 2:32 और
Next stop.
नहीं अराउंड 2:33 हम अमृतसर पहुंच जाए हमारी डेस्टिनेशन। हमें लंच वहाँ करना है,
Okay.
तो उस हिसाब से
Yeah, we can easily do that. It's a really powerful car. We can overtake anyone we want, but there's a restriction because our parents are with us. Sad reacts only.
Had they not been with us, there's still a restriction of safety. So drive safely, guys.
Drive safely तो सही है.
नाइस स्वास्तिक।
So talking about safety, buying an Ntorq.
I ride it with a helmet.
at 70
That's the normal
Brain fart.
speed for a scooter.
भैया आगे चले गए क्या?
नहीं पीछे।
हाँ वो आगे गए. स्विफ्ट उनकी स्पॉइलर वाली है ना?
हाँ.
हाँ वो आगे चले गए.
Spoiler alert!
मैं बीच में डालूं?
Every time it passes, I'm gonna
स्पॉइलर अलर्ट। और स्पॉइलर तो जो वो पीछे है ये जैसे पापा के इस पे ये ऐसे मतलब ऐसे
अंकल बोलेंगे आप आगे चलो.
इट हेल्प्स विद स्पीड ना एरोडायनामिक
No, it doesn't help with the speed. It helps with the downforce of the car.
the more you know. So this is snack time with Motovato. This is chai time with Kenny Sebastian. चलो ठीक है अब हम थोड़ी देर में आएंगे
Bye.
ये
So it's 10:03 a.m.
10 o'clock.
and
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock and we're entering Ambala. I don't know if you can see. So what Swastik is doing?
Sleeping.
Swastik is here. Swastik का mask पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा है. But let's see.
That's an update.
How many hours?
We're keeping you
till
guys
Amritsar?
updated.
Yes.
You're a part of us.
Yes.
Our family. Our
Yes.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Yes.
That.
That. Goodbye.
So it's almost 11, I guess, and 11 or 12. So we stopped here. One thing that I want to tell you about this car is that it's a very happy to rev car, and on the highway, it's a very nice vehicle to drive. The car holds the revs. So if you're driving at 80 and then you decide to remove the accelerator pedal, matlab, keep your feet off of it, the car doesn't slow down so easily. So that's the car that we are driving. That's the other cars of our fleet. So yeah, and here's Swastik. Swastik.
Hello.
Yes. How do you feel about the car?
Very comfortable, and the curved seats are really helping me to be to not be awkward, and my sitting position is really relaxed.
Yeah, actually, Swastik was asleep the whole time.
Exactly.
It's
And
so comfortable.
I'm a 6.1 feet giant.
Yeah, and
I'm
उसके आगे
very
भी
comfortable.
उसके आगे भी 6 feet की लड़की बैठी है 5'10". So that's two tall people together, and they're sitting comfortably. He's sleeping the whole time.
Plenty of
Headroom and legroom.
there's plenty of leg room, and I'm very comfortable. Very
Yeah.
comfortable.
Because the girls have gone to the washroom, and I guess they're back. Hi guys.
So
Hi.
how do
Say
you
hi
like
to
it,
the
right?
camera. Say hi to YouTube family.
On है.
Yes.
Hello. मेरी क्लास चल रही है और मुझे कुछ
Yeah, they're both in class. So even Tanushka was sitting in the back seat and she was asleep almost the whole time. So it's a pretty comfortable ride, and even for the city, the car is great. I mean, she drives it.
I drive.
Let's
and
go.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And you don't get to know about those bumps. They're the speed breakers.
Yeah, it's comfortable, and the suspension is like very nice. So yeah, here's the car, and it's performing pretty well. So we're here for a lunch break actually, and then we'll give you an update soon. Peace.
So it's been a while. अभी क्या टाइम हो रहा है? Oh yeah, sorry. अभी it's 12:58. We थोड़ा सा डिले हुआ because of some reason. But अभी हम 2000 early 2000s के गानों पे jam कर रहे हैं, right
Yes,
boys?
yes, it's
Right,
amazing.
right. It's a retro.
Our days.
It's something. It's really nice.
The touchscreen is nice. Not super responsive, but it's really nice. But the music system though, it's like crystal
Yeah.
clear sound.
And we're actually happy with it.
Yeah.
Because why are we happy? Because
I'll tell you.
अमृतसर is 108 kilometers.
Yeah.
और अभी 1 बज रहे हैं और मैंने बोला कि हम at max 3 o'clock तक पहुंच जाएंगे
And
और किसी ने कहा कि हम 5 बजे तक पहुंचेंगे.
नहीं 4.
5
4
बोला था.
o'clock.
You said 5.
I said 4, then I said 5.
Even Swastik said 5. Where is he?
I said 4.
He's sleeping. Oh, I shouldn't have said that.
Record again.
नहीं तो काट लियो. हाँ तो the music system is actually pretty nice. हम काफी देर से jam कर रहे थे.
Yup. And
Without-
with on to the 2000s गाने.
हाँ.
And like it's so nice. It has crystal clear sound.
I hope वो दिख रहा है.
बहुत तगड़ा immersive experience होता है.
हाँ.
Even if I'm driving fast, like at the speed limit, like 90 is the speed limit here, and I'm driving at 90, the car is not like कहते हैं ना disbalance नहीं हो रही है, and like it's very pliant और बहुत safety features भी हैं actually गाड़ी के अंदर.
ये हाँ right. बड़ा
Yeah, okay.
The thing I love about EcoSport is that it's a heavy car for its size, which is why it's very stable. And मतलब वो ऐसे grip सी रहती है कि वो रोड के ऊपर है. वो ऐसे
हाँ.
वो ऐसे नहीं हो रही जैसे कि हमने भी देखा बलिनो और कौन सी i20. So you were saying
i20 का comparison नहीं है ना इससे.
हाँ.
But the thing is कि इसके अंदर safety features काफी अच्छे हैं. ABS with EBD. You get 2 airbags in this variant. I don't know about
Titanium,
ऊपर वाला
titanium.
variant. Maybe और भी आते होंगे airbags. But
6 airbags,
if you're
titanium.
driving at high speed, it's so stable. You feel so safe inside this bubble of safety. And like with the music loud, you can't listen to all the crap outside.
stimuli.
Crap.
Ooh, content writer.
नहीं, master of writing. क्या? Master of
Master of English writing.
MA.
तो also this small thing I like. क्या है? ये रहा, ये switch है ना for
Makeup.
you to see your face. Hi. और ये ऐसे करो तुम तो बंद हो जाता है. It's a small
It's the
thing.
small things that matter.
Yeah.
The car has a lot of cubby holes, small
Yeah.
places where you can store
Like that.
bottles and lots of stuff. It's a cool, very cool car.
And ये umbrella की separate जगह तो हमने bottle के लिए बना रखी है apparently because we need a lot of water. Water is important. Stay hydrated. Am I right?
True. Very good.
Preach.
You should go and drink water right now.
Like her.
Stay hydrated. So yeah, that's a small update about the car. It's very safe. It feels safe when you drive it even at high speeds. It's pliant. It has a good stereo with a 9-inch touchscreen, which is the icing on the top.
Cherry on top.
Cherry on top of the cake. Icing on top of the cake.
Yeah, I really
Yes,
like
we
the
did.
dashboard also. Dual tone.
Yeah.
Trial tone.
Tri-tone. Trial tone.
Yes.
So what I was telling my friends here was that while I'm driving this car, it doesn't feel like ये बहुत बड़ी गाड़ी है, and like it's like a very what do you call it? मतलब easy to drive car basically. You can drive it like a hatchback because when you're in it, you don't feel the size of the car, and it's so agile that it's really nice in driving. So that's
मैंने थोड़ा frame खराब कर दिया. I'm sorry.
it's okay.
Yes.
We're not pros anyway, and this is our first ever vlog. No, this is not our first vlog. क्योंकि हमने एक अलग दूसरे चैनल पे बनाया था. We'll leave a link to that as well.
Bye though.
Just you know, if you want to see. चलो.
चलो.
Ooh, that's a nice bike.
भैया रिव्यू के लिए दे.
Kawasaki.
भैया रिव्यू के लिए दे दो. Please. Please
He's
जला
packing a
दे.
lot of stuff on it.
Push out. Traveler. Wanderlust. The mountains are calling. So, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, good.
It hurts to talk.
It's okay. You can remove your mask then.
ये pulls है ना? It's Punjab.
There's a lot of pulls.
Racist.
So sorry for the audio quality.
कोई नहीं, हमारा एडिटर ठीक कर देगा.
हाँ, बस सब कुछ एडिटर पे छोड़ दो.
Duh.
ठीक है, तुम्हारा ही लैपटॉप में देर लगेगी. I'll be editing on your laptop.
Okay. So, मैंने बोल
Swastik Tanushka inputs.
Also, ये speaker we get 4 plus 2 tweeters. Both. I really like this. Vlog.
Input दो भाई, inputs about the
I
car.
am still not over about the comfort and the space. I mean, we're not driving, me and Swastik. We're at the back seat, and as you can see, there is a lot of stuff here. Like, there's a guitar, there's my ukulele, there's bumps. Yeah, so I was saying, we're still not over how comfortable and spacious the back is. I mean, as you can see, it is packed over here. We have a lot of stuff.
You can show.
Yes.
Because we're going
Let
to
me
an
show you.
event.
We are going to a shadi. So definitely we have a lot of stuff. There's a bag. There's, okay, ignore that. There's another bag, water bottle, sustenance. There's a guitar. And we have stuff back there also. And then of course we have Swastik.
Giant.
Also another thing, the guys in the back, at the back. One is 6'1". Yeah.
वो बता दी.
बता चुके.
हाँ.
Cool, I did delete
You were in the washroom.
I'll delete the footage.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Can you play the song?
लुट जाए ये जहां छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे न
Guess the time. Guess the time. What is it? What time is it? 2:22 and we. Okay, you can't see, but we're here. That's Amritsar का gate. एक मिनट आगे जा रहे हो. Record हो रहा था. क्या बोला था?
पहुंच जाएंगे जल्दी.
पहुंच जाएंगे जल्दी. ये भाई साहब, ये आपका वो है,
मजाक
proof
कर रहा
है,
था
ठीक
मैं.
है. हाँ. अच्छा.
I was just kidding.
And look at that. Welcome to Amritsar.
And the cuties behind us are sleeping.
And the cuties behind us are sleeping, having a good sleep because they didn't have a good sleep last night. And look at that.
Besides, ड्राइवर अच्छा हो तो सब सो जाते हैं.
अच्छा, ठीक है. हम भी इतने नहीं, एक्चुअली ऊपर जाना.
हाँ, बन जाएंगे.
हाँ. तो बेसिकली यहाँ से नीचे जाओ तो you go into the city. We're actually headed towards the cottage, and it's on the outskirts. और ये रोड सीधी गोल्डन टेम्पल जाती है. और मतलब तुम सीधा ही चलते जाओ. All the flyovers and everything. And look at that, it's a beautiful gate. I mean, तुम देख नहीं सकते ऊपर से, but I don't know, I can try. That is the city of Amritsar.
And how much
And
fuel
अभी
consumption?
अब तक
It's like 14.7 का एवरेज दिया है गाड़ी ने हाईवे पे.
हाँ,
Which is
440.
because हमने बहुत भगाई है.
Yeah.
मतलब थोड़ा एक्सेलरेटर हैवी चलाई है पूरे
Yeah.
रास्ते.
क्योंकि कंपटीशन हो रहा था.
नहीं, कंपटीशन भी था एवरेज. But also we have a lot of bags in our car
Yeah.
and a lot of stuff loaded.
Yeah.
So the average is a little less. So I think if you remove that factor, it will give us around 16, and 17 is the claimed mileage
Yeah.
by the company. So it's a pretty great deal that
Right.
you're getting for a car.
Yeah.
I guess it's a great competitor.
अभी
for-
तक we've traveled 447 kilometers.
No tiredness.
No tiredness actually. And we can still go on for 272 kilometers. So full tank में around we'll get 730
ये और
730 kilometers.
ज़्यादा हो सकता था if we didn't have all the stuff.
Yeah,
Plus अगर भगाए.
correct.
because time restraint था हमारे पास, that's why we had.
It's 2:25.
I told you, man.
You? Chalo, we'll see. We'll end it at the cottage.
Hello, हम पहुंच गए. We've reached हमारे. Oh, hello. And it is 2:43.
Yeah, मैंने तो बोला ही था. Keeping you guys updated.
Yes.
You're a part of us. Our
Yes.
family. Our
Yes.
subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Yes.